Here we have a L2 68 plate Peugeot Partner with 89,000 miles on the clock. This one comes with full service history. Will come with a fresh 12 months MOT, new timing belt and water pump, also a major service. This one's got 89,000 miles on the clock. To the back we've got the full 5 seats, 2 in the front, 3 in the back. As we said before, this one comes with full service history, so it's a good reliable van ready for work. To the back we have fresh ply. Has a few little dings and scratches, but nothing major for the age of miles. Into the front we have no rips, no tears, nice clean interior. This will come with our standard 3 months warranty and can be delivered anywhere in the UK. Feel free to drop us a message or give us a call.